Yes, all of you see here now. All of you just concentrate here now. Are you able to hear me, students?
Yes, sir.
Are you all able to hear me? Just message me.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So just concentrate now. See, this is your coolant pump. Okay, okay. Coolant is there is a coolant tank also, a small tank. Okay, about 5 liters, and water is pushed inside. Water is put inside that, and what is happening is that a coolant and water is mixed. And see, there is a circle here shown. There is a circular part shown here. That circular part is actually having a drive from your crankshaft. See this, it is having the drive from the crankshaft. It is connected to the crankshaft via pulley, and the inside parts, it is getting rotated, okay, just like a turbine, and it is pushing the coolant inside the engine. Okay, where this coolant is going, students, this coolant, it is going inside the cylinder walls. Okay, inside the cylinder walls, but there is a gap. There is a gap between the engine and the cylinder walls. Okay, see, I have shown you the this video before. Okay, there was a coolant which was provided inside the cylinder. Okay, so there are, in the cylinder walls only, there are holes provided, so that the coolant is there. It is continuously running inside the cylinder body, but it is not, the water is not coming inside the combustion chamber. Let me show it to you, just a second. See, all of you can see the cooling jacket. Cooling jacket is shown here. Okay, this cooling jacket is actually what, this cooling jacket is having coolant inside it. So this coolant is continuously pumped. Okay, this coolant is continuously pumped inside the cylinder body. It is continuously rotating. ऐसा नहीं है कि ये सिर्फ यहाँ पे आके store हो गया. Okay, it is continuously being pumped. This is taking heat from the cylinder body. Okay, here you can see this blue part. Okay, here it is taking heat continuously from the cylinder body, because the cylinder is getting heated very much. Okay, so you have to keep it cool. That is why there is a coolant also provided. Okay, so the lubrication system is different and cooling system is different. See, lubrication, which you have to do, you have to reduce the friction between the piston and the moving parts. For that, you are putting the oil inside the engine. That is different. But here the coolant, as it is having water inside it, it is not in direct connection with the combustion chamber. It is an indirect connection. There is a wall between here. Okay, there is a wall here, and therefore what is happening, the coolant is coming, it is taking the heat, and then it is cooled, then again it is sent back to the cylinder here. Okay, so this was just a small part. We'll study it in detail. Okay, so let us see, you cannot cool it very much also. Okay, if we cool it more than what is required, what will happen? Yes, can anyone tell what will happen if we cool it very much, and if you don't cool it at all? Okay, what will happen? Yes, students, अगर हम लोग ज्यादा कूल कर दिए तो क्या होगा?
हाँ, पावर जनरेट नहीं होगी सर. वो जो एयर कंप्रेस करके जो हीट किए थे ना, वो नॉर्मल हो जाएगा मतलब.
Yes, very good. If we are compressing the air inside the combustion chamber, that will lose its heat. Okay, and there will be less heat available. Okay, if we overcool it. and if you undercool it, if you are cooling it less than what is required, then what will happen? The engine temperature will rise, and there will be, you know, vibrations. There will be, the working will not be proper if the temperature is rising to a very high stage. Okay, so it has to be optimized properly. It has to be kept in a proper range. Okay, so see, all the other parts are same. You cannot see, you just have to absorb it. You cannot cannot explain it to you everything, you know, because of this video. You have to you get a hands-on experience when you are having your practicals. Okay, when in the college, but try to gain whatever you are trying to gain. Okay, just don't lose the hope. Okay, just don't uh, हार मत मानो आप लोग, ठीक है? जो जितना भी समझता है समझो, बाद में आपको समझ में आएगा धीरे धीरे. ओके, when you will get the hands-on experience. Okay, just try to understand whatever you are getting. Okay, so now see, exhaust manifold is same as compared as you have seen in your this petrol engine. So the exhaust manifold is there here shown. Okay, exhaust gases are collected from all the 4 combustion chambers. See, this is a gasket. Okay, gasket is used to avoid leakage. Okay, this is used, okay, to reduce the coolant leakage. So the coolant should not come inside the combustion chamber or the other parts. Okay, or you can say there is a gasket also which is used so that the gases does not escape from the cylinder body, means from the combustion chamber. So when the cylinder head is fitted to the cylinder body, okay, there is a gap. So to fill that gap, this gaskets are used so that the gases does not move outside. Okay, this is the oil sump which is fitted to the bottom of the engine. Okay, wherein the all the oil gets collected, and from here, okay, inside this there is a oil pump with a strainer. Okay, inside this it is fitted a strainer, an oil pump, a small oil pump, and a strainer. From here the oil is pumped up inside to the piston, to the moving cams, to the valves. All has to be cooled. Okay, the friction has to be reduced. So that is why the lubricating oil I am telling about, not about the coolant. Okay, the lubricating oil is pumped inside the combustion chamber. Okay, oil sump it is called, or oil pan. Okay, it is a oil reservoir. Just 5 minutes I will take your students. Okay, just more 5 minutes. See, this is your fuel pump. This is the basic difference between a petrol engine and a diesel engine. Okay, here I am showing it here. See, this is your fuel pump. Okay, this fuel pump, this is the main difference between a petrol engine and a diesel engine. Fuel pump is not present in a normal carburetor पेट्रोल इंजन. जिसमें कार्बोरेटर प्रेजेंट है पेट्रोल इंजिन में, वहां पर ये फ्यूल पंप नहीं होता है नॉर्मल. ओके, जैसे कि मैं बोलूं कि आप अगर 2 व्हीलर्स आपकी ले लो, वहां पर ये फ्यूल पंप की जरूरत नहीं है. लेकिन अगर आप डीजल इंजन यूज कर रहे हो तो आपको ये फ्यूल पंप की जरूरत पड़ेगी ही. ओके, टू पंप द फ्यूल इनसाइड द कंबशन चेंबर. सो दिस इज द मेन डिफरेंस बिटवीन अ petrol engine and a diesel engine. Okay, see, there are lines shown here. These are the separate lines which are going into the separate combustion chambers. Okay, here is a line, here is a pipe shown. Okay, the oil is coming from here. Okay, it is going into the fuel pump, and then it is being pumped. Okay, these are the different lines shown. See, it is fitted to the different combustion chambers, and you know, setting is done accordingly. So which combustion chamber should get fuel, okay, at which time. Okay, so all these things are controlled with the help of camshaft only. Okay, in a manual engine we will study all that in details. it is a high pressure pump. See, it will be connected to the injector. Okay, the fuel pressure lines shown here, it will be connected to your injectors. It sucks the fuel from the fuel tank. Okay, it sucks the fuel from the fuel tank. Of course, there will be a strainer. Okay, there will be a fuel filter. This is a fuel filter. See, this is an alternator shown. Alternator is charging the battery continuously. It is taking the power from the engine only. Okay, it is taking the power from the engine. Okay, there is a pulley shown here. Okay, there is a pulley which is connected here, and what it is doing, okay, with the help of belt, it is taking the power from the crankshaft. It is rotating a shaft and it is generating electricity, and that electricity is supplied to the battery so that it gets continuously charged. This is required, otherwise your battery will be down. Okay, let us move ahead. See, this is present in both diesel and petrol engines. Okay, see, this is the chain drive which is connected to the crankshaft. Camshaft is connecting to the crankshaft with the help of this chain drive. Power is transmitted to the camshaft. Timing gear, okay, timing gear and timing chain. Okay, see, this is a push rod shown. Okay, so with the help of this push rod, you know, camshaft is transferring the power. Okay, जो भी power camshaft को आ रहा है, it is transferring the power and it is operating the valves. See, this is transferring the power to the rocker post. Okay, here, and it is operating the valves. Okay, this assembly is put on this cylinder head. This is a cylinder head shown here. Okay, this is a cylinder head here. Okay, with the springs and all. Okay, here, and this assembly is fitted on this cylinder head. Okay, this whole assembly is operating the valves, students. These are the rocker arms. Okay, rocker arms. These are the rocker arms. Okay, which are operating with the help of camshaft. Okay, these are the springs. Okay, it is operating the inlet and exhaust valves. Cylinder head. This is the valves. Okay, these are the valves which are operated with the springs. See, there is a heater plugs are also there. So when the temperature is less, so in you know, winter and in rainy season when the temperature is less, so it is keeping the temperature in the range which is required for the engine to run. Okay, when you start it. Okay, this is the water passage cover. Okay, it is fitted to the cylinder block to reduce the leakage. Okay, see, oil seal. Okay, this was a oil seal. Okay, it is fitted here so that the oil does not get leak. Can anyone tell me what is this? This is the clutch assembly. Okay, this is this you cannot say as a part of the engine. Okay, from here only, this is the clutch plate. From here only the power is transmitted from the flywheel to the gearbox. Okay, this was there in your tom, but now it is eliminated. See, this is the crankshaft you have shown. I have shown all these things to you. So let us stop now, students. If you have any doubt, you can ask me now, or else I will stop the lecture. Okay, I will stop the practicals. If you have any doubt now, you can tell me. Students, you can unmute yourself and you can.
अटेंडेंस नहीं आया सर दोपहर के लेक्चर का.
Yes, attendance sheet I will share, both the attendance sheet, okay, of your practicals also and theory also. Okay, there was very less time available for me in between the lecture and the practical, so therefore I could not generate the sheet. Okay, time is over. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask me, or else I will wind up the lecture. You can message me through WhatsApp also. Any doubts, students?
No.
No, sir.
No doubts.
No.
I think
No.
when the time goes up now, there are no doubts, because you have to run. You are sitting for the lectures from morning and you are tired now, so you don't have doubts. Otherwise, you would have had doubts.
Exactly.
Huh? Yes.
Correct.
Sorry. Hello. No doubts. Okay, so I wind up the lecture. Okay, I will share the attendance sheet. Okay, meet you tomorrow in the next lecture.